Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling everything so you can move straight into building. Lay out your sticky note pads, a sheet of heavy cardstock for covers, double-sided tape, and binder clips. Measure the pad stack and cut the cardstock to twice the pad width plus a ½ inch for the spine. This creates a folded cover. Once done, score the spine line lightly so the cover will fold cleanly. Make sure to keep pads aligned as you clamp them with binder clips before the next step. You now affix the pads into the cover precisely. With the cover folded, align each pad edge flush against the scored spine and mark positions so pages flip cleanly. Peel and apply ½ inch double-sided tape in several horizontal strips on the back of each pad. Press firmly to transfer adhesive. Once the pad is set, clamp the whole assembly with binder clips and press for 10 to 15 seconds so the tape bonds evenly. If you need more hold, add a thin strip of finish by trimming any overhang for a professional look and decorate the cover if you want a custom aesthetic. Add an elastic band or ribbon around the outside to keep the book closed and protect edges in your bag. Make sure pages peel off smoothly. If a pad is misaligned or lifting, lift it gently within the first minute and reapply fresh tape or a thin bead of glue, then reclamp. If pages stick together, separate slowly at a low angle to avoid tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.